Good morning. We're on the record in the matter of D.18. See, this is time and date for confirmation of show cause counsel for Ms. I have Mr. Cottler. Are you there? Ethan Cottler?
All right, I was racing back to the computer, so I took a quick break.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Long time no see.
So we don't have Mr. We did have a phone call to Chambers this morning before court that Ms. is not able to attend. She's at work.
I think the status check was just to make sure I could establish contact with Ms. because she was in a rehab facility. So the answer is I have not. So it's good that your Chambers was contacted by her. Maybe there's a number. She probably doesn't even know I was appointed to help her.
My only concern, Mr. Cottler, is that she hasn't made, I think this is our third hearing that we haven't had her. And I had some concerns initially because she was in the Salvation Army inpatient program and she had appeared. And based on the information she had given us, she was due to transition to outpatient, I believe, but still at the Salvation Army facility. But we were glad to hear from her today. So if we have a number, I will make sure that we get it over to you. And Mr. Christensen wanted to make sure that I made a record that you were appointed only for the show cause hearing and not for any of the underlying litigation.
Yes, and I saw that that was also in the minutes from last hearing.
Okay, so I've made the record and hopefully Mr. Christensen will be happy. We are scheduled for a calendar call on November 17th at 8:15 a.m. For trial assignment, which is for the show cause on December 5th, the week of December 5th. Is that sufficient time for you, Mr. Cottler?
So long as, you know, I do make contact with her. I mean, I'll call your Chambers today and get the number.
Okay. Do you want me to status check it just in case we have a contact issue?
Sure. I think that would be wise.
Sure. Okay.
Maybe in 2 weeks.
Okay. Can we do something?
And if she happens to call your Chambers, maybe they could direct her to me?
Yes, absolutely.
September 22nd, 11 a.m.
September 22nd at 11 a.m. Mr. Cottler is appointed to Ms. only for the order to show cause. Chambers will reach out to Mr. Cottler to provide the number that we had and direct her to contact him should she call again. September 22nd at 11 a.m. For status check on Mr. Cottler's ability to get a hold of Ms. I am surprised Mr. is not here, but it's just for confirmation of counsel, so I don't think there's any prejudice. Mr. Falcone, I have asked my staff to track this case. I know there's a media request to make sure that Blue Jeans links are sent out when we have that rolling media request. So I apologize if you had to call to get the Blue Jeans.
That's quite all right. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You bet. All right. I will see you guys on July 22nd at 11 a.m. We will send out Blue Jeans links to Mr. Cottler, Mr. Falcone, pursuant to the media request, and both Mr. and Ms.
September. Yes.
September 22nd at 11. Did I say something else?
July.
Sorry about that.
All right.
Thank you.